A surprising number of people still ask this question, and the answer catches many off guard. In Singapore, having more than one wife is not only restricted, it can land you in serious trouble. Today, we break down exactly when it is allowed, when it is illegal, and what penalties you could face if you try to bend the rules. For most people in Singapore, the rule is simple. If you are married under the civil law system, you cannot have more than one wife. The Women's Charter makes it clear. Civil marriages here are strictly one husband, one wife. If you try to marry someone else while still legally married, that is a crime. It does not matter if you did the second marriage overseas or kept it quiet. Singapore still treats it as bigamy, and the punishment can be heavy, up to 7 years in jail, and up to 10 years if the second marriage ceremony was done inside Singapore. Now, there is one exception, and it applies only under Muslim law. Muslim marriages are governed by the Administration of Muslim Law Act, or AMLA. Under this system, a Muslim man may be allowed to have up to 4 wives. But there is no free pass. He must apply to the Sharia court, and the court will check everything very carefully. They will look at whether he can treat all wives fairly, whether he has the financial ability to support more than one family, whether his current wife or wives have been informed, and whether there is a solid reason for taking another wife. Even with all that, approval is not automatic. Many applications do get rejected. Some people think that going overseas to marry again makes things legal. That is not true. If you are already married under civil law in Singapore, a second marriage outside the country is still considered a criminal act here. Once you come back, you can still be charged. This raises a real question for viewers. In a modern society like Singapore, should the rules around marriage stay as they are, or should the law ever be reviewed for changing times? Thank you for watching 2230. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so we can bring you more clear and engaging news stories every day.